Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see, guys, here, that the daily candle is finished here, as you see it, and what it given us here. Let's zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you guys. As you see it, guys, here, it give us here a indecision candle. And that not bad, not good. That man, people, they are here. Both of them, they are equal. Let's make it like that. No buyers, they want to buy. And no sellers, they want to sell. But here, that candle, it's finished green. That's when the buyers is still powerful than the sellers. And that's something good. And also here, I show you those things before. I told you we still have here that inside bar. And also we still waiting either a candle to come and to break down here or another one to come and to break up here. Till that time, everything still possible, guys. Either we're going to fall down or either we're going to go higher, guys. I think picture is very clear now. And here we got something very important, guys. Let's see it together. Let's change it from candles to lines like that. And as you see here, let's zoom it a little bit. You see what the market it tried to give you there. The market it tried to give you here like a double bottom, guys, as you see it. But it's not completed yet. It's need that one tomorrow the market to come and to break for us that last high here. That one. That is going to indicate in the double bottom. It's confirmed. But till now nothing confirmed, guys, because I've been in Twitter. I saw some people they saying enter short, take profit at 10k or something. I don't know how they thinking, those people, to be honest with you, because till now I don't see any short, I don't see any long yet. Market it's looking flat, guys, and because it's coming some regulatory news, because as you know, the USA is still putting the new Congress and is going to come voting about regulation for cryptocurrency. That's why you see all those people here. The market is very flat, and that's why you're seeing everyone now, those big whales who got crypto, all of them they talking about regulation. So it's coming some new regulation, guys. We don't know what is it, but it's coming. We don't know it exactly because what happened to FTX and that Sam, what it do to the market and all those scams and manipulation to the price is going to come something, guys. Everything is too clear, but us, the market is talking to us. I told you me, for us to enter short, it's need to break for us here. For us to enter long, it's need to break here. Till now, no one of them. The market is showing here, us we still flat, guys, as you see. Everything is too clear. By the way, you, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Plus, every day we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin every day. 2 videos analyzing Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very well updated every day. 1 video after European market close and 1 when the daily candle finishes. You done it? Welcome to the family, or you can even join us in Telegram, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go to see the coming news for tomorrow, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, guys, here, the coming news for tomorrow, we don't got something so special here, as you see it, that the coming news, guys. The first one, we got that one of the Aussie meeting, then that one of UK average earning index, then we got that one is very important, guys, because that one it tell you the inflation of USA, how it's going to come, if it's going to fall down or not. And as you see, the previous one it used to be 0.4, so let's see that month what is going to tell us, guys, either to stay the same or to fall down. Everything is too clear. And here our friend, that one also we saw it every day, guys. What it's showing to us here, as you see it, and stay focused with me here. As you see, all US stocks today, they are falling, guys. Everything is being red today. So that's something not good. Let's make it like that. But today is Monday, guys. Maybe we're going to see all the week we're going up. And here, our friend, the VIX, today it go up a little bit. As you see it, today it give us 23.73. It's near to 24. But it's falling down a lot compared to where it used to be before. Before it used to be 30. Now we are very close to get below 20. And that is going to be the right time. Till now, it's still a little bit early, guys. That's why I told you, collecting more cash, guys. Collecting more cash. Forget about the news, forget about the media, all those things, they are just noise. For long term, don't care about nothing. All those things, they are just noise. Are very close, but not yet. We're very close, but not yet. It doesn't still that much of time, guys. Everything is too clear. And another thing we got here, the US dollar is 106. today's go up a little bit as you see it, but not that much. So I think the picture is getting clear to you guys. Now let's go into see our indicators what the same for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, as you see it, we came when we touch here, also we buy. Now it go up here, it fall down here, showing us here a rejection in that level, also we been following every time that one. But till now there is no buying, guys. It need to come up to break that last high here, that one here. If it doesn't, there is no buying yet. I think the one for what can we said medium term to go till here, but for long term it need to break for us that level here. Because as you see guys here, also still down in that downtrend. The only time we try to break it is here, and it shows us is a false breakout. As you see everything in front of you guys, the chart never lie guys, as you see it, look at it. Every time you used to come to it and it show a rejection, and the same thing here, it show a false breakout, then it go back down. So till now also we still in a downtrend guys. The only thing that I want to show it to you before, I show it to you even in the weekly. I told you look what you got here from that level here to that level here. You got a divergence guys, but in the weekly it's very clear compared to here in the daily, because here look at it and look here. But if you go into the chart you're going to find it different. Everything is too clear. By the way, yes you my friend, did you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it, helping us. You know that channel without you can grow up. You done it? Thank you very much my friend. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there guys, for picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours in the last video, what else we said here? We said the market it tried to give us here like a triangle like that guys, as you see it. Until now we haven't break the top of it here, and we haven't breaking the down of it. So also we stay here sideways, and that would mean I told you those people in Twitter they don't know what they're talking about, because the market is showing us here also we still in sideways market. There is no buying, no selling yet. That's what me been talking about, and me I focused about that level here, exactly that one here. That one it need to be broke. If it doesn't get broke, there is no entry. Even if it's breaking for me that wage here, I'm not going to enter. Unless if it came and breaking for me here. Why? I'm going to tell you why, guys. Look with me very close here. That level here, that one here. Look at the market, what it done. It fell down till here, till that level here. Then it go back, and here we go. The downtrend also we've been following. Yes or no? So also for us to know the market is going to change, it needs to come and to break for us here. And here now they are together. The downtrend and the level. If it doesn't get broke here, there is no entry guys. It's might to give you here a fake breakout like that to come to touch here. Then after that you're going to see the market going down guys to 12k. And don't be worried guys, everything will be fine in the future. Bitcoin, it's not something is going to go. Bitcoin is like internet guys, it's like a lot of things. Bitcoin is not what to blame human beings. They are scams. That's what you need to blame, not Bitcoin, not crypto in general. Everything is too clear guys here. Now let's go in to see our indicators what the same for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one here, as you see it, when it came, it touch here the oversold area. We tell you in Saturday and Sunday also we stay in here sideways, and that's what the market is staying here. Till now it stays sideways here. There is no going up, and we still here in the control of the bears guys. As majority of the time also we've been taught in you here in YouTube. We told you here down. Then that level we got here in the middle, those ones here, they are the sellers or the bears they controlling, and over here the bulls they controlling. And as you see now also we still here down in a downtrend. Even in daily also we still in a downtrend. So there is no buying yet guys. I think the picture is getting very clear to you. Also we are in a downtrend guys, so you need to make a close eye at those things, I'm telling you. And here in the top we got the divergence line would tell us to enter short before all those people. We enter from 21k till 15k guys. That's the power of our analysis. Now us we still here in a downtrend. There is no buying yet. Us we need to find the opportunity. Till now there is no opportunity here for swing trading. I'm talking here. By the way, for people that getting confused, daily for long term, 4 hours for swing trading, 30 minutes is for scalping guys. So you choose your trading style and watch the time frame pause we're suggesting for you. Everything is so clear guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying guys. The one here guys, as you see it, it's still here at the oversold area. There is no buying here yet. So picture is very clear here. And now the price action we got is that one guys, as you see it. If the market came and break in here, that level here, you need to enter long guys. If the market came and break in here, you need to enter long. Remember that. I think the picture is getting very clear to you guys. So there is no entry always if the market came and breaking here, that level here. Why should we enter there, guys? Why? Also, what we said here about our indicator. Our indicator is that the oversold level, we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Price action, we got one here. Yes or no? Now, if it came and breaking that one, what we got? First, that one. Second level. Third, price action. Three things detailing us the market is going to reverse, guys. What it needs to be the take profit of us here at the 200 moving average, guys. It might it will not break and it will breaking down. Not something normal, guys. Us, we are not going to enter. That the power, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, the last video used to be here. And also we told you we don't got any price action here indicating for us we need to enter. And look at the 200 moving average, what it's telling us here. It's telling us we enter in a flat market, guys. You see it or no? Even if you zoom in out like that, what you're going to see, guys? Look with me here, what you're going to see. We be in here at a flat market, yes or no? We be in here trending down. Now we are in a flat market, guys, yes or no? Now, either from here, you're going to see a going up or a continuation to downward, guys. All that level here is just a resting level, guys. That's the power of our analysis, guys, here. Everything is too clear. Now, did we got any price action here in 30 minutes, guys, here indicating for us we need to enter short or long? Here, did we got something? Yes, you got, my friend. Look at it. You came like that and you came like that. You got here a triangle. Now, if it came and break in here, let's see our indicator what it's saying, guys. Either to break down for us to enter short or to break higher for us to enter long. Let's see our indicator, guys. Our indicator is it at the middle here. So there is no buying, no selling, guys. Here at the middle, also we saying here in the middle, we don't buy, we don't sell. So we need to wait in a little bit till we get a new opportunity, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you when European market close. Bye for now, guys.